Welcome to Grozeo. How to add products. Start from your dashboard, navigate to Products, and select My Products. Then click on Add More Products. Here, choose the brand that you have in your inventory. Select it, and add the product from that brand. Now, head back to the dashboard and click on Stock and Price. This is where you update your stock, the RRP, and set the selling price. For those who prefer efficiency, bulk upload your products by uploading an Excel file. Just manually enter the stock, RRP, and selling price, and save your work. Now, click on Import File and upload your prepared document. It's as simple as that. Head back to your dashboard and click the Go to Site icon. And just like that, your products are now added to the website.